Alright, we're watching Hurricane Milton. So right now it's 145 miles per hour hurricane. Early Wednesday morning it's going to be 155 miles per hour. Wednesday PM it's going to be 145 miles per hour hurricane. And Thursday early AM, we're talking about 2 AM, it's going to be 125 miles per hour category 3 hurricane when it makes landfall. Now when it's Wednesday afternoon around about 2 PM on Wednesday afternoon, when it's 145 miles per hour category 4 hurricane, it's going to be about 155 miles off the coast of Marco Island. And at that time Marco Island should be getting around about 50 to 55 miles per hour sustained winds, which is not hurricane force, it's tropical storm force winds. When you look at this map, the area shaded in red is a hurricane watch, and the area shaded in blue is a tropical storm watch. We are in a tropical storm watch, not a hurricane watch. It is heading straight for Sarasota, Tampa. Right now the actual track is Bradenton. So Bradenton at 2 AM on Thursday, you're going to get 125 miles per hour winds, which is a category 3, a major hurricane. Storm surge, that hasn't changed. We are still in the orange, and we could get anywhere between 4 and 7 feet of storm surge. The further north you go, the more storm surge you're going to get. 6 to 10 feet in Lee County, and 10 to 15 feet where the hurricane makes landfall in Tampa area. There is a possible tornado threat while this is going on over Wednesday and Thursday, so possible, not likely, not very likely, not high, just possible. We don't get many tornadoes in Florida, do we? Alright, so that's your hurricane update for Tuesday morning. Like I say, it's gonna be 125 miles per hour category 3 hurricane when it makes landfall around about the Tampa area. Alright, so please make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. My name's Paul. Give it a thumbs up. Hi Kathy. See you later.